Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a reputable VPN provider and confirming it supports your laptop's OS. Once chosen, create an account and pick a plan. Use an anonymous payment if privacy matters. Make sure you download the provider's official client rather than a third-party installer. While downloading, note any activation code or login credentials you'll need. This first action reduces setup friction and ensures you're ready to install the correct software when prompted. Now install the VPN client and allow any system permissions. You're telling your laptop to accept a virtual network adapter. Once installed, sign in with your account. Enable the kill switch for leak protection and set the app to start automatically so you stay protected. Next, choose a protocol: WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, or IKEv2 for mobile resilience. Finally, pick a nearby server for speed or a specific country for. To finish, click Connect and wait for the client to show a secure session. You'll usually see a new IP and connection status. Verify your protection by running a quick IP and DNS leak test to confirm traffic is routed through the VPN. If speed or connectivity is poor, switch servers or protocols. Sometimes WireGuard improves throughput. If connection fails, restart the VPN app, reboot your laptop, or reinstall the client. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. Make sure to retry before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.